Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Airbnb app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on Profile to access your account settings and preferences. This is where all your personal settings and account configurations are stored. Once you're in your profile section, look for the option labeled Account Settings and tap on it. This area contains all the core settings for your Airbnb account, including payment preferences, notification settings, and personal information. It's essentially your control center for managing how Airbnb works for you. Next, you'll need to tap on Payments. This section manages everything related to your payment methods, payout preferences, and importantly, the currency you want to use throughout the app. Finding this option is crucial because it's where Airbnb stores all your financial preferences. Now take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your current currency displayed there, whether it's USD, EUR, GBP, or any other currency you're currently using. This indicator shows you what currency Airbnb is currently displaying all prices in across the platform. Go ahead and tap on that currency indicator. This will open up a list of available currencies that you can switch to. Airbnb supports a wide range of international currencies, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from depending on your location or preference. From the list that appears, browse through and find the currency you want to switch to. Once you've located it, simply tap on your preferred currency to select it. The app will immediately apply this change, and all prices across Airbnb will now be displayed in your newly selected currency. This makes it much easier to understand costs without having to manually convert prices in your head. And that's it. You've successfully changed your currency settings on Airbnb, and now you can browse listings and make bookings with prices displayed in the currency that makes the most sense for you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.